What is up, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs? This is going to be a quick video today, but hopefully it's going to hit you right here in the heart. This is going to be difficult. I'm going to play a segment. I just had a live coaching session because we do that with our clients at Leasing University. We called a property. I called them as if I was a renter. I want you to listen to this call. And hopefully if you have a pulse, if you're breathing, if you have any sort of empathy, if you have any sort of soul, this is going to hurt a little bit. This is going to be difficult to listen to. But why I'm going to put you through this pain is I want you to keep an open mind, and I want you to think about us as an industry and property management. I want you to think about your competition, and I also want you to think about yourself. It's too often that we get wrapped up in our little world and we forget moving is stressful, moving is scary. The people that call us are stressed out, they're in pain, they need to change their situation, and far too often we treat people like garbage on the phone in property management. You may not think you're doing it, you may be doing it. I hope you're not this bad. I want you to listen to this call right here, right now, then I'm going to pop back in. Please take a minute, listen to this, send this to your team, let them listen to this call as well.
We don't take the time to diagnose that situation, and all we do immediately when we hear a date is we start looking at inventory. That's probably what these people will do. Okay, let's hear how well they do. So that's the story. All right, let's hear how well the average apartment community does. Hey Siri, call King Apartments in
Thank you for calling. This is Lori. How can I help you?
Hi, I was calling about availability.
Right now, we are taking applications for 2 bedrooms with an expected move-in of the second week of July.
Perfect.
Applications are kept at the front door outside. All adults, you will need picture ID, proof of income for the last 30 days, and your social security card.
Front door outside.
Minors need social security card and birth certificate. There's a $25 application fee per person. Adult.
Do I have to bring my birth certificate to pick up the application?
No, we don't need adults' birth certificates at all.
Oh,
minors.
My bad. All right, cool. Thank you so much.
No, applications are kept at the front door outside, so you can grab them. And it has that letter that tells you everything.
Yeah, don't worry. I won't bother you. I know you guys are busy. I'll keep to myself outside. I'll grab the app. Thank you so much.
I'm just, no, all righty, no problem.
Yep. What did I just tell you guys? 71% chance. Let's score our friend. Somebody unmute yourself. Tell me what her name was. You probably don't know. I do because I wrote it down. Okay. Because she did the 2 worst things. She's just terrible. I give her a F across the board, but she did the 2 worst things you could ever do in property management. She answered the phone and she said her name and she said, "How can I help you?" Never, ever, 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 ever say your name and "How can I help you?" But let's score. Can you guys hear me? Nobody's unmuting themselves. Yeah, Lorraine, perfect. Westgate. Lorraine, that's what I wrote down Lori, but whatever, same thing. Okay, does she know who I am? No. Does she have my contact information? No. Does she know where I'm living at now? No. Current situation? No. What do I want? No. Why do I want it? Nope, doesn't know that. But damn it, she's going to tell me stay the hell away from my office, right? It's a hazard zone over here. I will tase you. I will tase you if you come into my office. We keep the applications outside. Don't even try coming into Lorraine's office because she's going to hit you with the taser. It's disgusting. Disgusting. Let's do one more of these calls. Somebody else put the name of a property and the city in the chat. I'll call them. We'll see if they'll do any better.
So there you have it, right? Don't even come into my leasing office. We keep the applications outside because we're scared of you people. I don't want to have to interact with you people. As I said on the call, that person, if they worked for me, they'd be fired on site. Please take note of how you're answering the phones. Please Call your sister communities. Audit them. Make sure we are treating people with dignity and respect. If you're not going to go through the Leasing University training, I'm okay with that. But if you're treating people like garbage, get out, quit, get out of the industry. We don't want people like that in our industry. You and I and we in our industry, we're here to serve. We're here to help people. We're here to improve their lives. So if you find yourself having a bad day, if you found that maybe you had a call like that, do what you need to do. If it's not training with me, train somewhere else, but get a better process. Again, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University. There's a link to our plans below. If you want to learn more about how I can coach you in live sessions, how you and I can get together and call your competition and listen to them, how you can get better and you can improve people's lives and start loving your job, again, click on that link below or give us a call at Leasing University. You can reach us anytime, 888-735-7451. I look forward to talking to you live. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.